Hi friend, my name is Shrikant and you watching review YouTube channel. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I am taking about 5 new RC gadgets and smart toys. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Now meet new Stunt Rider drone. Can action figures fly? This one can. Transform your stunt drone into a hoverboard or paraglider. Press the 1-key launch button and up it goes. These RC Kids toys feature simple directional controls and an emergency stop button. Surf the air in hoverboard mode or glide with the wind in paraglider mode. Bonus: hit stunt mode on the remote and see your mini drone perform its around-the-block trick. Stunt Rider RC Mini Drone for Kids. 2 extreme flying styles transform your stunt drone into a hoverboard or paraglider. Surf the air in hoverboard mode or glide with the wind in paraglider mode. Bonus: hit stunt mode on the remote and see your mini drone perform its around-the-block trick. Now introduce Tello. Say hello to Tello. Tello is an impressive little drone for kids and adults that's a blast to fly and helps users learn about drones with coding education. Perform wicked flips in 8 different directions. Shoot sick videos with easy shots, and fly with VR goggles to get totally immersed in flight. Get yourself a Tello to find out just how awesome flying a drone can be. Whether you're at a park, in the office, or hanging out at home, you can always take off and experience the world from exciting new perspectives. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Hello friend, introduce new Stunt Shot from Air Hogs. Learn how to play with Stunt Shot. You can drive it anywhere, anytime, and there are no rules and nothing's off limits. How do you Stunt Shot? Go wild indoors with Stunt Shot, the new RC from Air Hogs Super Soft. This remote control stunt vehicle is unlike any other RC, with super soft foam wheels that can drive over anything indoors without causing damage. Stunt Shot is so much fun to drive. Steer left and right and drive in forward or reverse with the easy-to-use dual joystick controller, perfect for beginners. With its durable construction and lightweight design, experience powerful performance as you flip. Stunt Shot down the stairs, bounce off walls, drive over objects, jump off the couch and keep on going. All without damaging your home or the vehicle. Race at high speeds anywhere you go indoors while mastering stunts like flips, spins, and rebounds. Featuring 2.4 GHz frequency, you can race up to 6 vehicles at once. And control your Stunt Shot from up to 250 feet away. Easily assemble Stunt Shot and customize your vehicle with the included stickers. Stunt Shot is USB rechargeable, so you can power up and continue the racing. Action. Drive over anything and go places you've never been before with Stunt Shot, the seriously soft indoor RC. Meet new Parrot Mini Drone, a miniature drone piloted in Bluetooth Smart with a smartphone or a tablet, that flies and rolls from floor to ceiling. Parrot Jumping Sumo, the first robot insect, controlled in Wi-Fi 2.4 or 5 GHz with a smartphone or a tablet that spins, jumps up to 80 centimeters and takes 90-degree turns. The Parrot Mini Drone Rolling Spider is an easy-to-pilot mini quadcopter. You control with your smartphone or tablet. Thanks to its many sensors, flight is very stable. Indoors or outside, and its attachable wheels protect its propellers and add some functionality. Requires a smartphone or tablet to control. Now introduce new Traxxas Bandit VXL. 70 plus mphrc. Traxxas Bandit VXL and Rustler VXL. Whether you head to the dirt, jumps, sand, or pavement, Traxxas Bandit VXL and Rustler VXL have speed to spare. With TSM and the accessory Traxxas paddle and Anaconda tires, reaching speeds of over 70 miles per hour has never been more fun. The Rustler VXL is a blast to drive and easy to own with legendary durability, low maintenance design, and unmatched parts support from thousands of hobby stores worldwide. With over 30 years in the hobby industry, Traxxas goes the extra mile to ensure that your RC experience is easy and fun and fast. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy the video. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Don't forget press the bell icon. Meet you next video.